2 is correct. So let's do this. What's our evidence? What is our evidence that there are 2 atoms in this molecule of RSQ? Evan?
There's like 2 different shapes.
There's 2 different shapes. Okay. What about those 2 different shapes? How do we know that's 2 atoms?
Because it's labeled.
Because it's labeled with what? If you had to write a CER on this tomorrow, what would your evidence that you wrote down be? We have 2 shapes. We have arrows notating that those are atoms. So our evidence is we have 2 shapes. We have a circle and square. We have arrows. Designate. They are atoms. Easy enough, right? All right, let's build on that. Make it a little bit harder. Number 2, find and circle a molecule of TsQ2R. How many different types of atoms are found in a molecule of TsQ2R? How many SQ atoms are in the molecule of TsQ2R? So we're going to do this one together. What box do I need to look at? Box 8. So we're only looking at box number 8 on this one. How many different types of atoms are found in the molecule TsQ2R? So we're looking at this one only. Oh, sorry, we were supposed to circle one. Circle one. My bad, I skipped that step. Then how many atoms? How many different types of atoms? Aiden. 4? 3? I'm sorry? 3? Hold up your fingers. You think it's 3 or 4? Got some 3s. 3s. 3. What you think? What you think? Think 3 or 4? How many atoms do we think are in box number 8? Different types of atoms. Okay. What's our evidence? Okay, what are they?
Circle, square, and triangle.
Okay. Put it off over here to the side, 'cause it's kind of small. My claim, my evidence. So we said 3 atoms. We said there were 3 different shapes. Circle, square, and triangle. Now, what if it just said how many total atoms are in this molecule? What would we say, 4? 4 is correct. So those of you that said 4, we were looking for different types of atoms versus how many total atoms. How many SQ atoms are in a molecule of TsQ2R? Looking for just SQ. Evan says 2. What do y'all think? Whoop whoop! Wake up. Yes. If you're not right, it's fine. Mary Claire says 2. How many SQ atoms do we think are in this molecule? Aiden says 2. Ada says 2. Janiyah says 2. Merrick, Samaria, Tyler, Mia, Judith, Nate, Corey.
says that just R is a circle.
Box 8.
I know, but
Say, use your evidence in box 8. Start there though.
oh, SQ has a square, behind, a squared symbol behind it, so that means there's two.
There are 2 squares. And I think SQ means square. Okay, what else? Anybody see another piece of evidence? What does that formula say? What is the formula itself? What is the name of the molecule? Ashton, what's the name of the molecule? Is it squared? Okay. What would we think that 2 there might mean? Okay. There is a small 2 after SQ. So now in your group, you're gonna have 12 minutes to turn and talk and answer 3 through 6. When you get to that stop sign on the side of your page, you're gonna stop. It is right there. So you may turn and talk.
SQR, and TSQ.
God, y'all don't do that. One of the 3 of us, because if we have to call them, they're gonna check our phone. So if you have a cell phone that you forgot to turn off, and it happens, no big deal. It's happened to all of us, not that. Somebody over here has a cell phone, please don't hand that over. Everybody else work in their groups.
How many different types of atoms are found in the sample?
It says, looking at the drawing labeled SQR3.
Alright guys, I'll highlight keywords in these questions you weren't told.
She's gonna check in
Yes, sir.
somebody then.
That's okay. I want y'all to try. You try your best. Go through here. You're going to look at one label, SQ3 and TSQ. Which one is that? Okay, so you're gonna do just like I did, right box.
How many types of atoms?
And how many different types of atoms? Remember, we talked about the word different types. Of atoms, what atoms? Call them.
Can you tell me something?
Yes.